We are now here at Leitera in northeast County Galway, about halfway between Dunmore and Lettermaddy. And Leitera is significant for a number of reasons. The first and the most apparent is the mill here behind me. Now, mills are and have been an important part of the infrastructure of rural Ireland for a number of hundred years. They're not so much used in the last number of decades, but they're a very important part of our industrial heritage in this country. Generally, mills were used to either process and cut wood, or also for grinding down corn, and flour mills are also important. This mill at Leitera was particularly noteworthy because it was famous for producing pinhead oatmeal, grinding down oats to a very fine size. Now, the mill is unique here at Leitera also in that mills required water to power the mill wheels in order to give the energy to carry out the processes that were being acted within them. But here there is water. There's quite a significant river flowing past me, but this river, the sinking river, just emerges from the rock beside the mill itself as a very large spring at Leitera Spring. And these springs are common in north-east Galway and East Galway itself, and moving into County Roscommon and parts of the Midlands. And these springs themselves are also related to the geology. In this part of Ireland, the limestone is karstified. That means that there is an intricate network of sometimes quite large conduits and openings and passages within the limestone itself. And that's a result of dissolution over the millennia and over millions of years by slightly acidic rainwater percolating down through the limestone itself. So the enlarged fractures and fissures allow water to pass through them. And we have within the limestone, if the fissures are big enough for humans to enter, they're caves. At the surface, we have swallow holes where streams and rivers will actually sink and flow into the underground limestone. And then in places where that emerges at surface, we have springs. Big springs like this one at Leitera have been a characteristic of this very pure limestone in northeast Galway.